Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be working on another wine glass. Now before I start, I cleaned these with rubbing alcohol. I just put some on a paper towel and cleaned the outside of them so that the paint adheres better to a clean surface rather than a dirty one. And with these today, I'm going to start out by just placing a dot kind of into the center of the cup because I'm going to make a pattern and go out. It's about, I'd say on the paintable surface, about 3 inches. So I'm going to go down just 1.5 inches and make a dot. When they're sitting side by side, they'll be even. Because even though when I'm doing these videos you're only seeing me paint one, I'm actually painting 2 because, you know, I would think that somebody would want at least 2 matching cups. At least that I would. I wouldn't want just the one. So to start out, I'm going to start with a number 5, and I'm going to do a white dot right over where I just made the other dot. Okay, now I'm going to go down to a number 2 and make some dots around it. And the number 2, I'm going to come in with this Princess Pink color. And I'm using multi-surface paints because I need to bake these and cure them so that you can actually wash them, for those who don't paint on glass or drinking cups. You can't just use the regular acrylic. You have to have either a multi-surface or an enamel paint. Number 3 and do another row. Okay, now I'm going to go to this Paradise Pink. And I'm going to go up to the number 5. Do another row. Okay, and still with the number 5, I'm going to do another row around that. Okay, now I'm going to go with the lighter pink color and I'm going to make big dots. Let's go all the way up to the number 11. Now I'm going to walk some dots around that with the white. And I think I'm going to use number 2. Okay, so now I have this true green color that I'm going to add some white to because I want like a pastel-y green and I don't have one. Okay, I'm going to come in with the number 3 with this green color and do a dot in between. Okay, now I'm going to come in with a fairly decent sized dot. I'm going to go with the number 8 in that green yet, and I'm coming out from where the other green one was. Now I'm going to come in with the number 2 again and do dots around those green ones with the white. Okay, I'm going to come in with a darker dot, the darker pink. And let's do a number 8. And go right in between. Okay, now I'm going to come in with the number 4 and use that same color and do a dot in the middle of these green and white. Okay, now I'm going to come in with a number 8 and I'm going to do kind of random dots out from these. I'm just going to go kind of off to the side. And those are not even by any means, and I don't mean them to be. See, I'll show you on both cups, even though I'm not showing you as I work on them. They're kind of just random. Now I'm going to come in with a number 3, and I'm going to go with green, and I'm going to take these and pull them in. I don't know how to describe it. I'm going to walk them. I think I'm going to walk them to the pink ones. Like that. So now I'm going to come in with the number 8 and that light pink color and do random dots again. Okay, and I'm going to come with the number 3 and I'm going to walk them back to those other dots I walked the other ones to. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with that last color with the number 8, which is that pink. The darker pink. And I'm going to put them wherever I need to kind of fill it in. So this one will be going to this dot over here. And if it doesn't need it, you don't have to add it. Because like this one's kind of full on the side, so I'm not going to do it. I come into the number 3 and walk them. And I'll just walk them to whichever one looks like it needs to go to. Okay, now I think I'm going to leave it at that for the pattern. This is what they're looking like. I think I'm going to leave my bases plain this time, and I'm just going to top dot on these. These light pink and put dark pink on them with the number 6. And then I think I'm going to take the solid green. This is that true green color, and I'm not going to water it down with white. I'm going to top dot with that bright green color on these with the number 3. And then I'm going to come in with the number 2 on these inner dark purple or dark pinks, and I'm going to put light pink on those. Okay, and then I come in with the number 4 on these dark ones and put the light ones. Okay, and I'm going to come with the number 4 and that full strength green and do these outer ones. Now, you can choose to do a lot more top dots than that if you want. I think I'm going to leave mine just the way they are. Let's see if you can see this. Let's see. And so there we have it. One set of cute little wine glasses. I hope you all like it. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. See ya.